Ibang araw po sa lahat. Hindi ko po ito maintindihan po itong mga ginagawa ng mga pulis sa Davao sa pagsiserve ng warrant of arrest kang Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Like seriously po, bakit masyadong deliberate? To the point of entering a private property or engaging into physical confrontation with members of the KOJC. Well, in fairness to the police, they are just doing their job. I know that. Their mandate is to enforce the law. But bakit deliberate? Alam ba nila na kahit hindi ma-serve ang warrant of arrest na yan, ay hindi yan mag-i-expire? Kahit pa sa mahabang panahon, kapag hindi ma-serve ang warrant of arrest, ay mananatili itong active hanggang sa hindi nadadakip ang akusado. Kumbaga, nakapending lang yan sa court kung saan yan na-issue. So, what's with this deliberate serving of the warrant of arrest? Okay, madidissolve lang ang warrant of arrest kapag nadakip na ang akusado or may nag-file lang motion to quash the warrant of arrest at na-approve ito ng korte. Di ko talaga maintindihan what's with this deliberate service of warrant of arrest. I think this is just I don't know, kakaiba talaga. First of all, what does the Constitution says about the warrant of arrest? Article 3, Section 2 of the 1987 Constitution provides that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall be issued except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Ibig sabihin dito, bago ma-issue ang isang warrant of arrest, ay meron pang hearing na mangyayari para sa finding of probable cause. Kapag may probable cause naman, ay mag-i-issue na si judge ng warrant of arrest to be enforced by our law enforcement authorities. Under the law, ang mga law enforcers po natin na may hawak ng warrant of arrest ay may 10 araw to cause the execution of the warrant of arrest, which yan po yung nangyayari ngayon dyan sa KOJC. But kung sakali po naman na lumampas ang 10 araw na hindi pa rin na-serve ang warrant of arrest, ay wala naman po itong problema kasi required lang po sila na gumawa ng report. Pero ang warrant of arrest itself will remain in effect kahit pa magtago si Pastor Kibuloy sa malayong lugar na mahabang panahon. Still enforceable pa rin yun. So what's with this KOJC happening ngayon? No? Sana ay may natutunan po tayo today. Salamat po.